Good morning, students. Today it is another class of risk and insurance management, and till now we have already discussed so many things of Unit 2, consisting risk identification, risk analysis, risk assessment, risk evaluation, estimation, risk, that is assessment. After that, another topic we have to cover it, that is the classification of the risk. Okay, that is, it is also same thing what we have discussed in that is the Unit 1, but this is another we have to talk about the that is strategic, operational and financial type of risk. Okay, so my dear students, when we are discussing about today, that is this session, we will discuss about the mostly the that is strategic risk, operational risk, financial risk, pure risk and the speculative risk. Okay, so many things are there, we have to discuss it. Okay, come. So, classification of the business risk, in this part we have to discuss, that is the mostly the strategic, change, operational risk. These are the important risk from the point of the view from the view of the business. If we will discuss it, there are a number of possible sources are there, and combinations of sources of risk, which is almost beyond the classification. We cannot imagine it. Mostly when we are discussing about the classification of risk, let us the primary classification topology revolve around the origin of the risk. Okay, कहाँ से शुरुआत होता है रिस्क, वहीं से हमें बिगिन करना है, and we have to move around, that is the nature of the risk or the end its effect of the risk. Okay, and the most obvious initial classifications of the risk is to differentiate in terms of the risk level within the organization and its impact. Okay, so basically when we are discussing about, we have to see, that is what happened, the strategic risk, change or project risk, then operational risk, then unforeseeable risk, then financial risk, financial and knowledge risk, then sixth, internal and external risk, then seven, speculative and static risk. It is one of the important topics, my dear students, when we are going to discuss each and every type of the risk. That is a very very important type of the risk we have to categorize in the business organizations. Okay. So here today we'll discuss that is the strategic risk. Today topic is what happened? Strategic risk. Okay. So what is the strategic? Mostly when you're saying about the strategic risk is related to that of the risk at the corporate level, and its affect the development as well as the implementation of the organizational strategy also. If you take a small example, how the risk, the strategic risk is related to the corporate level, and how it affect to the development as well as implementation of an organization. Suppose an example is the risk resulting from an incorrect assessment. We are talking about the incorrect assessment of future market ट्रेंड में जो होता है, जो फ्यूचर में अगर इनकरेक्ट असेसमेंट, नॉट द असेसमेंट इज आवर टोटली रॉन्ग, एंड दैट मे बी डेवलप्ड which are may be developed in the initial strategy, and in developing the strategy we have to find that how organization make an assessment for the market conditions. आजकल मार्केट कंडीशन अगर रॉन्ग असेसमेंट होगा तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज ए ग्रेट रिस्क टू अस, बिकॉज असेसमेंट रॉन्ग हुआ तो इवोल्यूशन रॉन्ग, एंड दैट इज also एस्टिमेशन एंड इवोल्यूशन ऑल आर द रॉन्ग, एंड इट इज ए जो कि असेसमेंट हम पहले से ही रॉन्ग किए. सो टुडे whenever it will goes and continuing to the business organization, because we know that business organization, the function of the business is not a periodic, it is a what happened, that is non-periodic. It is a what happened, it is goes on, that is rotating, it is goes on incomplete, but there is a not complete way, it is a continuous process, what we can say. So that is, if we have assessed the market conditions wrongly, or prediction is also incorrect, then that which goes and continuing that wrong thing only until we have not come to rectify ourselves. So in developing a strategy, an organization make an assessment, that is आजकल जो marketing conditions, so पहले से सुधार क्यों ना ले? From beginning only you have to bring the what happened, that is the assessment perfectly, so that आज वही नौबत ना आए कि हमें उसको दोहराए, उस रिपीटेशन को, उस रिस्क जो इनकरेक्ट असेसमेंट को दोहराता रहे और हमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क को दैट इज कलेक्ट करते जाए. सो वी हैव टू कम एट द पॉइंट वेयर वी हैव assessed properly, and now we have to that is rectify our risk. Another example if we say, that is what happened, a company manufacturing personal computer suppose, and might decide to adapt the strategy to include the development and induction of faster and faster operating speed. It might, that is personal computer organization manufacturing unit, the company may be decided to adapt the strategy in order to develop and that is introduction of the faster and the faster operating speeds. In doing so, company will what happen, that is presumably analysis the current market strategy and decide what to do and what not to do. And he can also make the market research, that is indicate that what happened, there will be a continuing high demand. मार्केट में कितना डिमांड होता है वो ठीक से असेस करना चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से प्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए. मार्केटिंग नॉलेज मस्ट बी देयर, either demand is goes on increasing or not. In whether that is you have to find the demand is that is what changing, or at constant level, so that according to the marketing assessment, that organization to that will accept or take the various steps. That is what I mean, say that it is a what happen assessment, the risk assessment. It is of the strategical, and that is also continuing demand of that higher and higher or faster and faster of the personal computers. It means that the strategic risk element implies in terms of whether that strategic decisions was correct or not. Because if the assessment is properly done, then the strategic decisions, whatever you have taken for the strategic risk, that is also the correct. Okay. Another point also you have to discuss here. It is the reasonable to say that strategic decisions is always correct, and that strategic risk is that strategic, sometimes the decision is also wrong. We can say that sometimes the strategic risk which create, that is the whatever the decision you have taken due to the that is the strategic conditions, that is also may be wrong. So this is the simple things what we have to take the immediate level or the strategic decisions. That is we have to take the find out from the strategic risk, and we have to take the assessment properly, and we have to take the steps, the measures, the strategic decision correctly. My dear students, strategic risk includes the risk relating to the long-term performance. Okay, long-term performance of whom? Of the organization. ये भी होता है स्ट्रैटेजिक का, जो कि रिलेटिंग होता है कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द बिजनेस के लिए, जो कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का. ये एक्चुअली इंक्लूड्स होता है रेंज ऑफ द वेरिएबल्स such as market, the corporate governance, and the stakeholders. Because these are the what happen, they are the long term holders of the organization. The market, जितना भी प्रोडक्ट लाओगे उतना ही तुम्हारा मार्केट क्रिएट हो जाएगा, और मार्केट में कंसिस्टेंसी लाने के लिए मार्केट भी स्ट्रांग होना जरूरी है एक कंपनी के लिए. और उस कंपनी कितना पोजीशन कर सकता है मार्केट में, इट इज ए नॉट ए शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोसेस, इट इज ए लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस. कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस वही भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज आल्सो इनसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, व्हिच एवर वी हैव टू मेंटेन द ऑल द लेवल ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट थिंग्स करेक्टली. Decisions should be properly. Okay, and the stakeholders, they are the very important for the organization, and it should be maintained properly, and it should be hold continuously for the longer period, so that the performance of the organizations is also increasing them at their best level. The market is highly variable and can change at relatively short notice. मार्केट में कुछ भी अगर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ चेंजेस होता है, डिफ्लेशन होता है, वो जो नोटिस आता है हमें, और सडनली वी कैन चेंज इट आल्सो. दैट इज मोस्टली यू हैव टू से दैट इज द स्ट्रैटेजिक चेंज. ओके, एंड इफ somehow we will discuss about the economic characteristic of the organization, that is also in which the organization is operating, that we have to see also. Because economic conditions of the country, it is always depend upon the that is the organizations. इनके बीच में तालमेल ठीक होना चाहिए. If some changes is also there, then we have to also make a changes. Ultimately, we will face a risk. Okay. The corporate governance risk of the organization includes the risk mostly relating to the reputation of the organizations. Yes, reputation, the goodwill of the organizations is also create a what happen good as the blessing to the organization. If the corporate governance is not well, there is mostly we know that the strategic risk is also highly possibility, and sometimes you also taking the wrong decisions also for it. So we have to make some ethics, the corporate ethics, with which we have to operate it. Okay, that is a very, very essential for it. Strategic, mostly if you talk about an example, if you take the reputation of the organization and the desire to maintain that reputation at the expenses of innovation और न्यू डेवलपमेंट, दैट इज वेरी वेरी हाईली एसेंशियल. स्टार्टिंग से लेकर या न्यू डेवलपमेंट जो भी कर रहे हैं, हमें गवर्नमेंट जो कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस जो कि हमें रेपुटेशन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वो स्टडीली होना चाहिए. उस रेपुटेशन माने स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ द इनोवेशन और द न्यू डेवलपमेंट से ही होकर अच्छी तरह जाना चाहिए. मैंने कहा बिजनेस इज नेवर एंडिंग. जो बिजनेस नहीं कर पाते ना उनका ही बीच में बिजनेस टॉप हो जाता है. If your efficiency is there to conduct the business, then your business is also well done. So another, that when we are talking about the stakeholder risk, it is include the risk associated with the shareholders, business partners, customers and the suppliers. The shareholder attitude is also changes quickly if dividend also fall. That we have to find it, because it is also sometimes the profit level, sometimes the dividend is goes on falling. If you are in the good reputation, if you are the good, that is risk associated with the mostly stakeholders risk, what we talking about, the shareholders, the business partners, the corporate suppliers. Because when the dividend changes or dividend falls, the shareholders attitude is also changing. That is also one risk. जब तक तुम्हारे पॉकेट में रुपया है, जब तक तुम दे सकते हो, तब तक तुम अच्छे हो. जब तक तुम्हारा कंट्रीब्यूशन थोड़ा लूज हो गया, नहीं दे पाओगे, वही शेयर होल्डर तुम्हारे घर के पास आकर तुम्हारे ऊपर रिस्क बन जाएंगे. ये रेपुटेशन होना जरूरी है. Because they are investing their money not to lose, to gain. Okay. When you're discussing about some typical example of the strategic risk, we have already discussed the below three things that you have to take over it. So first of all, we have to see it, the strategic plan might be incorrect. Second point, we have to discuss it. The original strategic plan may have been correct, but initial changes may have compromised it. Third, the original strategic plan may have been correct, but external changes may have compromised it. Students, see here. First of all, when we are discussing about that is a strategic risk, we have already taken some typical examples, and from the typical examples only we can well explain that is the strategic risk. When we are talking about that is a strategic risk, first of all we have to highlight the three things which are the very important. Okay, which means that the strategic plan might be incorrect. Second, the original strategic plan may have been correct, but some internal changes may have been compromised it. Third, the original strategic plan may have been correct, but some external changes may have been compromised it. How does it? When you are discussing it, the strategic plan might have been incorrect. It means incorrect assumptions that may have been done or made it completely incorrect assumptions. Another point we can example, that is what I mean, the environment may have been incorrectly assessed. The environment of the business organization जो हम ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं स्टार्टिंग अप से, ये में भी रॉन्गली असेस्ड होगा. Assessment is not correct. Sufficient resource may not be available. That is also for the strategic plan may be incorrect. And another, the plan might not actually represent when the organization really want to go. हमारा plan एक है, organization is moving another way. There is no coincidence. There is no proper planning manner. Strategic plan अलग है, but the organization is running in different way. The organization is not following the strategic plan. Here also you have the strategic risk. These are the conditions what you have made. That is where the strategic plan might be incorrect. Maybe plan correct है, wrong organization wrong है. Sometimes that is organization right, plan में भी रॉन्ग हो सकता है. तो दोनों के लेवल पे हमें सूझ बूझ कर चलना चाहिए, प्रॉपरली मेंटेन करना चाहिए. डिस्टेंस should be the planning and the running of the business should be in just like a parallel side of the roads. And another, original strategic plan may have been correct, but some internal changes may have been compromised. Here, internal organizations may have led to losses of efficiency. Loss of efficiency means तजुर्बा, efficiency यहाँ पे कम है, तो definitely internal organization will face will create a problems, and that is also the leading to that of the strategic risk. And required changes is also the operational process may have not been introduced. That also we know very well. Okay, and means some changes we required in the meanwhile or somewhat in the operational process, but वो पहले से हमें पता नहीं था और we have not introduced from the beginning only. That is also create a strategic risk also. Okay, and plan changes that may not be delivered what was required. जो कि हमें जो प्लान चेंजेस किया हमें वो नहीं चाहिए. That is also create a what? That is a strategic risk. So these are the things we have to clear cut and we have to think from the starting of the business only. Because the success of the business always depend upon the strategic plan. Unless we don't have any strategic plan, so definitely we are facing what happened? The strategic risk is coming to us also. And another, that is the original strategic plan may have been the correct, but internal changes may have been compromised. Here also, strategic risk is generally more difficult to manage. और यहाँ पे some external points is also there. They also some external जैसे internal reorganization जो changes हो गया, that is it is only due to the loss of the efficiency. Similarly, some external environment is also changes insignificantly. New competitors may be emerged from the external changes, and also new competing product also released, and a statutory control is also changed. These are the three categories, or that is the three things which you have to deliberately, that is what we speak out when we are discussing of the what, that is the strategic risk. These are the examples I have revealed you, that is regarding, that is how there is a create a great that is risk, creating a risk, strategic risk, if the strategic plan is not properly done. Students, another things I have to tell you about it. Strategic risk generally more difficult to manage the operational and the changes or the project risk that we know, and strategic risk tend to be applicable over longer term, that we have to very much, we have to effect it time dependent, समय के ऊपर डिपेंड करना चाहिए, एंड ऑपरेशनल प्रोसेस जो कि टेंड करता है कंटिन्यूसली सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजेस एंड रिलेटिवली फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड many small, mostly or medium-sized organizations or changes of project is also fine. And strategic risk also tend to the more complex and difficult model. Okay, and here also we have to discuss about the some operational and the project risk also. It is very simple to analysis it. Okay. Yes, I am taking some example here for that level. Here it is position A, it is B, this is the point A, point A, it is the current position, and it is the point B, it is the desired position. Desired position. See, let us explain here the current position where the company is present here. The company is now. The position is determined by the number of factors, जो कि market position, size, vulnerabilities, and gearings, and asset base. Many more things are there. This is the position, the current position of the company, and the design, the changing, the strategic, that is the some changing, the plans changes. Okay, and here it is the design where the company directors want to be the in after some years. Okay, again the position is also determined. The described, that is wide range of the variables will be found. So many variables will be changed here also. हम पहले एक मकान बनाए थे, फिर दूसरे बाद 10 साल के बाद अगर कुछ चेंजेस करते हैं तो उस चेंजेस के हिसाब से, उस जनरेशन के हिसाब से जो चेंजेस आते हैं, जो चेंजेस हमें चाहिए वो चेंजेस करना पड़ता है. ओके, सो द डायरेक्ट रूट टू द बी रिप्रेजेंट द कोर्स here with the wishes to the progress, and this is the what happen, that is what, that is the risk. Here you have to find the risk. Okay, the risk stands between the A and P, the what we have and what we have to be in future, what we have now and what we have to be in future. In this way some risk is also coming, and that is what the strategic risk. And this risk may be the affect the achievement of the strategic more in some areas or less in some areas, and that is the wholly unforeseen, that is might have been taken places when it is the viability is navigation or navigated from point A to that of the point B, means from the current to the future, from the present to the future. Okay, here this is the what happened, net result. The net result is the what happened, the company's evolution. That may be suffered, maybe the prosperities, whatever may be. So this is the what happened. Here the risk which have the somehow the great impact, or that is maybe the lesser impact, that is the time will be says. It is depend upon the totally the time dependent, I have already explained to you. So my dear students, this strategic management or risk management is concerned with the identification and the management of the risk in order to ensure the organization finishes up with the acceptable distances also. And the strategic risk management is also dictate this and predict the consequence, and information about the that is basis on the justification and the necessary. We have to take the corrective actions in order to reduce the risk. And the final stage also we have to find out the any corrective actions, whatever may be in fact, either may be succeeding, that is so that the eventful successful, that is, or it may be the acceptable or better outcomes will be achieved from it. So this is about the, my dear students, about the strategic risk. Next class we will discuss about many more entries, that is, you have to change, or the project risk that we will see it already will be discussed. Okay, and so many types we've already discussed, that is in coming classes we will discuss about other type of risk also. Thanking you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.